how it is important to display the data, and we have used the printf and scanf. We have used the console input output. Now there are certain scenarios where you would like to work on the files or the data. You need to keep them for long, that is not in a volatile memory but in your non-volatile memory also. And why you want to put it in the non-volatile memory? Because you want to work on that data later on also. So for that you can keep the data in the file, and in the operating system, most of the operating system, they keep the data in the form of file. So we'll talk about the input output operations which can be performed in this chapter. Data organization. Before we can talk about the input output, first we need to understand how the data is organized in the disk. If suppose that this is your program or this is our program, we have C library functions, and these C library functions we opt for them because there are no direct input output functions in C. Rather we have library functions. We don't have any command, I must say. We have library functions, so we'll use the library function, and these library functions in turn use the capability of operating system in order to deal with the disk. Right? I hope you got the idea. So the data is stored in the disk. It is in actually the binary form. So how this binary form is stored in the disk? It depends on the operating system. But for C programmer, for us, it doesn't matter. Why? Because we are using the library functions and we are using the capabilities of operating system to perform the input output. So it is the compiler vendor. It can be any compiler from any vendor. Now it is the responsibility of this compiler to correctly implement these library functions and also take the help of operating system. File operations. When we are dealing with